Will here from PPC Coach. Check this out. That's 7 figures in sales. That is a lot of money over time. Do you want to do this? Stick around for a minute. Not interested? Hit that skip ad button now. Mother's Day 2022. It's coming up fast. There is 2.2 billion moms out there in the world, according to a recent Google search I did. That's a lot of moms. People buy gifts for their moms for their special day to say, thank you. Thanks for being my mom. You can make a lot of money by selling things like this for Mother's Day. This is a perfect gift for a mother. It's called a message card. And basically it's a gift box, you can see here, a necklace, a nice one. This actually spins in the middle too. And this is sterling silver, like legit. And it also has a message card. So this one says, Happy Mother's Day. Right from the start, you were the one who nurtured me, prayed over me, worried about me, guided me, and supported me in every pursuit. Thank you for being there every day and just the love I needed. So this is pretty cool. It says I love you. It can be gift wrapped, and buyers can even upgrade the box to a more bulky, like luxury box. So basically the basic gist is this is going to sell a ton of units. That's great, but it sounds super complicated, right? It's not. I've been doing this for years. Do you want me to teach you how? Well, I can do that. In fact, I'm teaching that on my free live webinar. If you want to learn how for free, click the register button now. I'm a 7-figure seller. I'm very, very good at this stuff, and I'm willing to teach you. If you don't have experience, it does not matter. If you have experience, great. This is going to be even easier for you. If you want to learn more, click the register now button. I want to help you profit from Mother's Day 2022, and I will teach you how in my free webinar. Click the button to register now, and we will see you soon.